Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare linear versus tactile switches from Logitech. Choosing the right mechanical keyboard switch can significantly impact your experience, whether you're gaming or typing. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each type, helping you understand how they feel and perform. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which switch aligns best with your personal preferences and usage habits, ensuring you make an informed decision for your next Logitech keyboard. Linear switches are all about speed and smoothness. Imagine pressing a key and feeling absolutely no bump or resistance until it bottoms out. That's the linear experience. Logitech's linear options, such as the Romer-G linear, are designed for rapid, repetitive keystrokes, making them a top choice for competitive gamers. With an actuation force often around 45 grams, they allow for incredibly fast double taps and swift movements, giving you an edge in fast-paced games. Now, let's talk about tactile switches. If you prefer a clear signal that your key press has registered, tactile switches are for you. They feature a noticeable bump partway through the key travel, like Logitech's Romer-G Tactile. This feedback is incredibly satisfying for typists, as it helps reduce errors and improves typing speed by confirming actuation without needing to press the key all the way down. With an actuation force often around 50 grams, they offer a confident and precise typing experience. So, which one is better? Ultimately, the choice between linear and tactile switches comes down to your personal preference and how you use your keyboard. If you're a gamer seeking lightning-fast responses and smooth key travel, linear switches are likely your best bet. However, if you prioritize typing accuracy, clear feedback, and a more deliberate feel, then tactile switches will probably be more satisfying. We recommend trying both to truly discover what feels right for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.